jockey now.
Holy shit!
It was riding him.
Yeah. Exactly.
Slow
folks
like
take-
Scootaloo. No, that's Apple Bloom, but she was like
folks
slow to
go.
react.
Alright, that's it!
And we're here in the middle of the water, in the middle of the battlefield. I have no idea where I'm going. Please someone help me, guide me. I have no idea where I'm going. There's Preston, going that way. There is someone.
Fire raid. Currently I'm following Enic.
I'm following Preston. And now Enic, both of them. Ouch! Look at zombies. We're all here. Keep going whatever direction this is.
Hey, that's not cool. Seriously.
Yeah, I think this is the direction. Oh wait, no. I think I'm here. I think this is the way. There's a witch here, it must be the way. Oh yeah, I remember this playground, I was riding the tricycle. There it is, there's a safe house. Okay, yeah, there it is.
Ah! We need help, Enic!
Here, I'm helping them all I can. I'm throwing pipe bombs at. Don't wander off. Alright. Bill's here.
Guys, right here!
Red kits.
Come on! Get in! Sorry. Oh my gosh. That was insane.
Well, the door shut with bullets.
We're almost out. This video will be up by tomorrow. I'm too tired to edit. Yeah, I understand, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Alright.
Yeah, no shit.
What are we supposed to signal him with?
Yeah, I need to heal. You're at half health. You don't say. I want some axe.
Well, somebody just got themselves an axe.
Come on, I need to get a better gun.
Come on, girl. I thought we were closer than that.
Nice Luna Scar.
Yeah! I can use some help. I was doing a spin attack, I was just holding the chainsaw.
Alright, blow him out!
Perfect.
Oh, you're kidding me.
Chase this!
Bill's here.
Why the hell you guys keep shooting me?
Grenade! Okay, that better have been a pipe bomb out!
Pipe bomb out.
Throwing a pipe bomb!
Throwing a pipe bomb. Snipers ready.
Chase this, you zombie bastard.
Help nothing.
I don't think it's dead yet.
Throwing a pipe bomb.
Ooh, all better now.
Pipe bomb out. Look on the enemy.
Okay, now I think it's dead.
Pipe bomb. I'm the one thing. Grenade. Chase this, you zombie bastard. Throwing a pipe bomb.
Throwing a pipe bomb.
Pipe bomb out. Grenade.
Pipe bombs galore.
There's more pipe bomb.
Enough pipe bombs? No. We need more pipe bombs.
Throwing a pipe bomb.
Pipe bomb all the way. Throwing a pipe bomb. Fire in the hole. Throwing a pipe bomb. Grenade.
Where's the tank? There it is.
It's dead now. I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Ragdoll effect. I don't think so. It's not dead yet. Ragdoll. Wait, but when's the bucket here?
Okay, now I think it's dead.
Pipe bomb out.
Oh, there, it's here. It's coming.
Throwing a pipe bomb!
I won't let you get away from me.
Grenade!
Fire in the hole.
Oh, tits, the freaking tank! I'm dead.
What the frick is going on? Ah!
There's a tank that just launched me straight into the water.
Ouch! Ow! Spit out zombie. No! No! What? No! No! Right in the air! What? I was in the air above the boat when it killed me! Oh, what the fuck? No! No! Why? I was in the air! No!
Wait.
Oh, damn it. Well, that was a good game, guys. Very good game session. Yep, so see you tomorrow,
Oh, yeah.
I'm guessing?
Oh yeah. Great.
Like Bob's. Lol.
Good job.
Good job, very well.
Good job, sir. Good job.
Yep, that's the end, so
Alright,
yeah,
let's
good night
see
guys.
this, I guess.
I'm going off.
Yep.
And the